Klippyo is cloud software that allows you to create the highest quality videos. This video creation software offers extremely powerful and new features. The faster, easiest and smartest way to create highly engaging videos with easy 3 steps. Step 1. Pick. Shoot. Import. Step 2. Customize. Step 3. Publish. There's a ton more detail on the offer page, and Klippyo is definitely worth your time. If for no other reason than to see what's changed and what you need to be doing with your videos to succeed from here on out. When using this product, I feel quite satisfied with it. It works like no other software. All work just a few clicks are complete. Outstanding features and benefits of Klippyo. This software comes with the following features for users. All-in-one to create a professional video. Instead of spending hours sitting in front of a computer or hiring designers, now you can shoot, edit and make your videos look beautiful and professional in just a few minutes. It works strong but extremely simple. You will not need to equip any skill at all. Videos memes in just one click. Video memes will help you increase click-through rates, conversions and sales. With Klippyo, you can memorize your videos easily and quickly. Moreover, you can add text, captions, guides and emoticons with just one click. Add one animated tap intros and outros. You want to have a text call at the beginning of the video or show the link at the end of your video. You can do this quickly with Klippyo. This software allows you to add an introduction or a date to your video and easily customize them. Integrating videos. This feature will help you to be creative, and you can click the video directly to Klippyo. You will have access to thousands of video clips to create videos from them. Just select and then customize to turn it into yours. Square or rectangular video. Proven square and vertical videos increase performance and reception. However, it takes a lot of your time to do this. Now, with Klippyo, you can do it with just one finger. Annotation automatically. Comments videos will increase customer interaction rates more than other videos. Klippyo allows you to do this with just one click. You can directly comment or upload your annotation files. Capture, edit and click to publish. Once you have completed all the content, simply click the publish button and post your video on all the social networking sites you want. In addition, you can choose the resolution or rate as you like. What Klippyo can do for you. Square videos give you 78% more screen real estate, increase views, engagement, and reduce your cost per engagement on mobile platforms. Social video memes produce stunning results from mobile news feeds on any platform. Multiple aspect ratios. Shoot, edit and publish in any aspect ratio that suits your content, platform, or device. Professional editing suite purpose-built for mobile, so you can create incredible social videos on the go. Direct social media integration, share straight to your favorite social platforms. Images and stickers, encourage likes, shares, and many other reactions to bring more people into your social sphere of influence. Intros and outros, customizable intros and outros to grab attention, create easy branding, and inspire action with direct calls to action. Intros and Outros Pro. Integrate your videos account to bring world-class video animations to your Klippyo content. Captions. Boost viewer retention and interact with the hearing impaired people in quiet environments and the 85% of Facebook users who watch videos with the sound off. Captions Pro as an entirely optional extra. The team at Klippyo will create and sync pro-level captions for your video for a small fee. Quotes go viral like nothing else, and Klippyo makes it fast and easy to find a quote and publish it directly from your phone. Last thoughts. I think this is a video creation tool worth investing. Also, you can rest assured to use it with 30 days return refund. I hope you will make the earliest decision to receive the most preferential price today. You can click on the link below to get more bonuses and the lowest price. Thank you for taking the time to follow my Klippyo review. Goodbye and see you again.